Now, in terms of some of the capabilities, as I mentioned, that perhaps the most frequent workflow that we see from our partners is when it comes to review of the documents. So here I have a document in front of me, and what I'm able to do is selecting a number of different tools. I'm able to go ahead, create highlights, underlines, strikeouts. And then what I can do from here is I can open a comments panel where I'm tracked as a specific user that's using this application. So I'm a guest, and I can provide a comment whether this content needs to be changed, and I can go ahead and save it. Now, at this point, multiple users can come in at the same time and perform the same work on the document itself. So we can have multiple users in real time collaborating on the same document, placing annotation, comments, replying, chatting. And one of the other functionalities is I can go ahead and set the different statuses for different tasks in progress. So for example, have another user that kind of jumping on here and says, okay, I will make those edits. And after they reply to it, they can go ahead and set it as completed. Now, the next thing is we're able to go ahead and support all kinds of different forms. So for example, here, for example, if we're running a fund management, we want to prepare any specific state level tax requirements. And then we can go ahead and fill in this form with whatever information that we need. So if we already have it in our system, we can actually pre-populate it for them or get them to fill it out. Or if we're kind of getting the information data entry from them at a different step, we can go ahead and just kind of populate it. And in case the form actually changes, we do offer an ability to edit existing forms. So for example, here I flip over to the form mode, and then I can see that all the different checkboxes are detected within the form. And I can actually add all different types of other. So for example, I can add additional checkboxes, radio buttons, drop downs, or signature fields directly to the document, or edit properties of the existing one. So for example, I can go ahead and edit this one and make it read only or required. Now we can also go ahead and build forms from scratch, or another popular workflow that a lot of those forms or governments or different entities are actually undergoing this digital transformation. And a lot of their existing forms are probably have been paper forms or coming from a paper form. So what we can do in this case is we can actually grab an image. So this is a form that I can actually fill out at all, and we can detect the different form fields on it. And then once it detects the different form fields, it can go ahead and overlay and tell us, oh, this is a checkbox, this is a text field. And we can go ahead and actually turn it into something that we can now start filling it out or pre-populating with the information.